Hello guys, what's up people of the world? This is Mix D and you're watching the Mix Derulo channel. In today's video, meron akong papakita dalawang unique na Bluetooth devices. Unang-una, itong conduction speaker na napakaliit. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano gamitin to na any flat surface or hollow surface pwedeng maging speaker pag dinikit nyo siya or ipatong nyo itong napakaliit na conduction speaker. Okay, yung pangalawa natin is ito, yung YS08 Bluetooth microphone. Ito yung guys, no? Nakikita nyo, napaka-unique ng korte ng microphone nito. Pero actually, itong microphone na to, kino-consider ko siya as Bluetooth speaker with built-in microphone. So, more on mas mukha siyang Bluetooth speaker kesa microphone. Kasi yung shape niya napaka-odd or napaka-kakaiba, no? So, napaka-nipis na handle sa baba. Etong napakalaking part na to, yung kalahati sa ilalim is yung speaker at saka yung nasa ibabaw ay microphone, guys. Yan yung YS08. Welcome to Wireless Karaoke. This is Mix D once again. And if you're ready, I am ready. Okay, magsisimula tayo sa ating conduction speaker. Ito, napaka-cute niya. So, kung paano gamitin yan, guys, simpleng-simple lang, no? So, kailangan mo syempre ng cellphone or tablet. In today's video, gagamit tayo ng tablet para sa dalawang Bluetooth devices na to. So, unahin natin itong conduction speaker. Ano nga ba itong conduction speaker na to? Ibig sabihin na ito guys, itong napakaliit na device na to, pag pinatong mo siya, any flat surface or any hollow surface, magiging speaker automatic yan. Kahit ano, basta ipinatong mo itong napakaliit na conduction speaker. So, meron siyang dalawang buttons dito maliit, no? So, ipa-power on natin siya. Tapos, itatry natin siya na i-connect sa ating tablet. Okay. Okay, nag-Bluetooth mount na siya. So, meaning nag-connect na siya sa ating tablet. So, ngayon, mag-play tayo. Pakinggan natin, guys, no? So, naka-on na siya. Maririnig nyo naman na medyo may konting sound, diba? So, kuha tayo ng hollow box. So, ito yung hollow box niya, no? Pakinggan nyo, guys, ha? Ayan, hollow box. Ito yung conduction speaker natin. Ipapatong natin. O, diba? Nagkaroon ng sound, guys, no? Yan yung effect niya. Every time niya ipapatong nyo siya, any flat surface, kahit table, guys, kahit sa table, pakinggan nyo, ipapatong ko siya sa table. Nakapatong sa table, diba? Tumutugtog siya. Meron tayo ditong mug. Crystal mug, guys, no? Okay, so, ang gagawin natin, etong hollow box, ipapatong natin dito sa ating mug para maging mas maganda yung music niya. So, eto, ipatong natin para makita nyo. Alright, so, ayan na, diba? Ngayon, kunin natin tong conduction speaker na to. Ipatong natin, pakinggan natin kung paano yung tunog na mangyayari. O, diba? Pwedeng-pwede. Diba? So, ayan yung pinaka-sound niya. Simpleng-simpleng materials lang yan. Naging speaker, diba? Ayos. Galing. Alright. So, yan yung ating conduction speaker na napaka-unique, na napakagaling, na simpleng-simple lang itsura, napakaliit, napaka-compact. Pero pwede mo rin siyang gamitin na halimbawa sa lamesa, sa marble top, sa kitchen top nyo. Pwede rin siya sa wooden box, carton box, any hollow surface, pwede siya. Ayan, hawak ko pa lang siya. Naririnig nyo na, di ba? Paano pa pag pinatong ko siya sa isang hollow surface, gaya nito. Oh, di ba? Ang galing. Napaka-unique ng features niya. Okay, ulit. Ayan. Ipatong natin ulit. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, yan yung ating conduction speaker, guys. No? Ang galing, di ba? Alright, okay. Pangalawang ating Bluetooth device, etong sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung unique look na Bluetooth microphone na YS08. Ayan, golden ang kulay niya. Alright, napakaganda. Meron siyang mga golden trimmings at saka meron din golden buttons. Basically naman, yung microphone parameters natin is, itong napakalaki na to is combination ng speaker niya sa ilalim, and then microphone sa ibabaw, at ito yung handle with golden trimmings and buttons. Ayan, okay, YS08. Okay, simple lang siyang gamitin, guys. No, kailangan lang natin ng cellphone or tablet. In today's video, gagamit tayo ng tablet. So, i-connect natin siya sa tablet. Alright, so power on natin. Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, so nag-connect na siya, guys, no? Sound check. Hello, sound check. Mic test. Alright, so yan yung effects niya, guys, no? Try pa natin ibang effects. Sound. Hello, sound check. Ito naman, medyo parang reverb yung effects niya. Sound. Hello, sound check. Sound. Hello, sound check. Sound check. Hello, sound check. So yan yung natural na sound niya pagka walang effects, guys. Sound check. Hello, sound check. Okay. Sound check. Hello, sound check. Meron din siyang voice changing function. Sound check. Hello, sound. Hello, sound. Sound check. Sound check. Mic test. Sound. Hello, sound check. Mic test. Sound. Hello, sound check. Mic test. Sound check. Mic test. Sound. Hello, sound check. So, meron siyang 4 na klaseng voice changing function. Hello, sound check, mic test. So, ito yung pinaka KTB effects niya, guys. Every time na i-turn on nyo siya, yung unang-unang tunog ng microphone, pag ginamit nyo, hello, sound check, mic test. So, automatic yung effects. So, right away, pwede ka na kagad mag-karaoke, mag-play ng karaoke backtracks, and then, yun na yung pinakagagamitin yung effects para sa pagkanta nyo, guys. Alright? Hello, sound check, mic test. Okay. So, itry naman natin, pakinggan natin yung kanyang speaker. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kaganda at kung gaano kalakas. Alright, i-play tayo ng song. Alright, so yan yung tunog ng ating speaker, no? Okay. Okay din siyang tunog. Hindi pa malakas yan, guys, no? Hindi pa siya malakas. Okay. Lakasan natin, guys. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan gaano kalakas. So, yan yung pinaka-malakas siya, guys. Yan yung pinaka-todo na. Alright, okay. So, pwede talaga siya kung manonood kayo ng movies, gamitin nyo itong Bluetooth microphone as your speaker. And of course, by simply listening to music or gamitin nyo yung kanyang built-in microphone kung magkakaraoke kayo, guys, di ba? So, right now, i-try natin yung ultimate test natin. Mag-play tayo ng karaoke song at i-try natin kung paano gagana. At the same time, yung kanyang Bluetooth speaker at saka yung built-in microphone. So, let's try to play a karaoke song. I found the love for me, oh darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. The summer day has come, gone away. In Paris and home, but I wanna go home. No. Baby, surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. I just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, And if they were calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gone across again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be your sin till you move with your pen, changing moves now and then till the balance was right? And then you added some music, and every note was in place, and anybody could see all the changes in me by the look on my face. And you decorated my life. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in my dreams, in your heart, in your life? Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when love is new, and just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. Oh, my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, ears are blowing his horn. YS08 Bluetooth microphone na kinoconsider ko na Bluetooth speaker with built-in microphone at saka itong napakaliit na ating conduction speaker. So abangan nyo rin guys yung susunod na video natin about dito sa dalawang Bluetooth devices na to. Gagawin natin isang wireless karaoke setup, no? So gagamit tayo for the instrumental itong conduction speaker, and then for the vocals natin itong YS08 na speaker with built-in microphone, guys. So thank you guys for watching, guys. Maraming salamat. So once again, this is Migs D saying keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam!